Ayan guys, nagtanong ako sa customer service ng Facebook sa tungkol sa AnyStream ads ko kasi sobrang tagal na niya bago ma-aprobahan. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa siya na-approve. Bali, 8 days na siyang pending. At ipapakita ko sa likuran ko yung aking conversation sa customer service ng Facebook. Pero babasahin ko rin siya para makita ninyo. Babasahin ko yung aming usapan ng customer service. Ito guys yung aking tinanong kanina sa customer service. Kung nakikita niyo diyan, nandiyan pa yung date, yung date na nilagay ko. Saglit na binabasa ko pa. Ito kasi yung aming conversation kanina. Ang date yan guys ay yung July 13, Saturday, July 13 yung oras na andyan pa rin para maniwala kayo na talagang yan yung aming napag-usapan. Tapos nandito ang nababasa ninyo, sabi niya dito, sabi niya, "Hi Richie, I hope your day is going well." Sabi niya, "My name is Marie with Meta Pro team, and I'll be happily assisting you with your inquiry. Just for your records, the reference number is yung number na nga. Kindly confirm the information below and I will be glad to assist you further with your concern inquiry." Ang concern ko rito guys yung yung in-stream ads ko. "May you provide your contact number as a backup in case our chat disconnects. Your satisfaction is our priority." Sabi niya ganoon. Tapos sabi ko naman sa kanya, yung tinanong ko, sabi ko dito, "Hi Marie, I want to ask if how many days before the approval of in-stream ads." Pasensya nyo na yung mga English ko kasi hindi man tayo magaling sa English eh. Pero yan yung, ang mahalaga nagkakaintindihan kami. Ito yung tinanong ko sa kanya. Tapos yung sagot niya rito, "Thank you for reaching out to us. I'm here to assist you." Sabi niya ganyan. Tapos, "Given the urgency of the situation, I recommend initiating an outbound call to address this matter promptly. Would you like me to proceed with placing the call immediately?" Sabi niya ganun. Sabi ko, "No, I'm at work." Siyempre, baka mawalan lalo ako ng sasabihin kapag tinawagan pa ako, kaya sabi ko sa trabaho na lang ako. Sabi niya, "No worries, thank you for letting me know, Richie. Would it be possible if you can share to me first screenshot of your monetization eligibility status?" Sabi niya ganun. Sinend ko yung screenshot ng aking dashboard, yung may in-stream ads na in review. Tapos sabi ko dito, "Already 8 days." Sabi ko ganun. Tapos nag-reply naman siya, "Perfect. Can you please tap the in-stream ads and send me another screenshot?" Pinatap niya sa akin yung in-stream ads sa taas, tapos sinend ko nga sa kanya yung screenshot ng "Your application is being reviewed." Tapos sabi niya rito, sumagot siya, "Wonderful. And thank you again for the screenshot. Thank you again for the screenshot." Sabi niya ganun. Sabi ko naman, "Thank you. Thanks. I'm just curious what happened because it's been 8 days." Sabi ko. Tapos nag-reply naman siya, "First of all, I would like to congratulate you upon your tremendous support and effort toward our platform. And thank you for your interest in applying for in-stream ads. We would like to set a proper expectation that system will process and approve your application. For the time frame, it takes 14 days to receive a notification once product is approved. In addition, there are instances that approval time may take up to 24 days. This would be the longest time frame." Sabi niya gano'n. Ibig sabihin 14 to 24 days pala ang pinakamahaba. "Please don't worry. Your application is being worked on by the technology, and we are excited on you to have this monetization set up and will be added to your tools." Sabi ko ganun. Sabi ko naman, "Okay, thank you for the information." Yan ang nagpasalamat ako doon, guys. Kasi nga medyo mahaba na yung usapan namin. May isa pa akong tinanong kung tungkol sa pag-upload naman. Kung anong oras ang maganda mag-upload, kung anong oras yung the best time para mag-upload para magkaroon ng mga viral videos. Yun naman ay isusunod ko yung video para mayroon ako pang content. And guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.